Hello, hello, hello. Good morning, everyone. Today I'm going to share you the different kinds of berries, and this is Marife Adonis official. So these are the pictures. Okay. Berry. Okay. Now, let's read this. A berry is a small, pulpy, and often edible fruit. Typically, berries are juicy, rounded, brightly colored, sweet, sour, or tart, and do not have a stone or teeth. Although many pips or seeds may be present, common examples of berries in the culinary sense are strawberries, raspberries, blueberries, blackberries, white currants, black currants, and red currants. And butane, soft fruit, is horticultural term for such fruits. The common usage of the term berry is different from the scientific or botanical definition of a berry, which refers to a fruit produced from the ovary of a single flower, where the outer layer of the ovary wall develops into an edible fleshy portion, or the pericarp. The botanical definition includes many fruits that are not commonly known or referred to as berries, such as grapes, tomatoes, cucumbers, eggplants, bananas, and chili peppers. Fruits commonly considered berries but excluded by botanical definitions include strawberries, raspberries, and blackberries, which are aggregate fruits, and mulberries, which are multiple fruits. Watermelons and pumpkins are giant berries that fall into the category of pipos. A plant bearing berries is said to be baciferous or bacate. Berries are often worldwide and often used in jams, preserves, cakes, or pies. Some berries are commercially important. The berry industry varies from country to country as though types of berries cultivated or growing in the wild. Some berries, such as raspberries and strawberries, have been bred for hundreds of years and distant from their wild counterparts, while other berries, such as lingonberries and cloudberries, grow almost exclusively in the wild. While many berries are edible, some are poisonous to humans, such as deadly nightshade and pokeweed. Others, such as white mulberry, red mulberry, and elderberry, are poisonous when unripe, but are edible when ripe. The history of a berry. Berries have been valuable as a food source for humans since before the start of agriculture and remain among the primary food sources of other primates. They were a seasonal staple for early hunter-gatherers for thousands of years, and wild berry gathering remains popular activity in Europe and North America today. In time, humans learned to store berries so that they could be used in the winter. They may be made into fruit preserves and among Native Americans mixed with meat and fats as pemmican. Berries also began to be cultivated in Europe and other countries. Some species of blackberries and raspberries of the genus Robus have been cultivated since 17th century, while smooth-skinned blueberries and cranberries of the genus Vicinium have been cultivated in the United States for over a century. In Japan, between the 10th and 18th centuries, the term Echibigo and Echigo are referred to many berry crops. The most widely cultivated berry of modern times is the strawberry, which is produced globally at twice the amount of all other berry crops combined. The strawberry was mentioned by ancient Romans who thought it had medicinal properties, but it was not a staple of agriculture. Woodland strawberries began to be grown in French gardens in the 17th century. The mass strawberry, also known as hautboy strawberry, began to be grown in European gardens in the late 16th century. Later, the Virginia strawberry was grown in the Europe and United States. The most the most consumed strawberry, the garden strawberry, is an accidental hybrid of Virginia strawberry and a Chilean variety Fragaria chileonensis. It was first noted by the French gardener around the mid-18th century that when F. moschata and F. virginia were planted in between rows of Echinensis, the Chilean strawberry would bear upon an unusually large fruits. Soon after, Antoine Nicolas Duchesne began to study the breeding of strawberries and made several discoveries crucial to the science of plant breeding, such as a sexual reproduction of strawberry. Later in the early 1800s, English breeders of strawberry made varieties of F. ananaska, which were important in strawberry breeding in Europe, and hundreds of cultivars have since been produced through the breeding of strawberries. The Old English word berry or grape comes from Proto-Germanic variously constructed as bascha, buzza, bosom. The source also Old Norse bear, Middle Dutch bear, German bear or berry, Old Saxon winberry, Gothic winneveschig or grape, which is unknown origin. This and apple are the only fruit names in the modern English which are descended from the native Germanic words. Okay, so we have now botanical definitions. In botanical terminology, a berry is a simple fruit with seeds and pulp produced from ovary of a single flower. It is fleshy throughout except for the seeds. It does not have a special line of weakness along which it splits to release the seeds when ripe, or it is also known as indehiscent. A berry may develop from an ovary with one or more carpels, or the female reproductive structures of a flower. The seeds are usually embedded in the fleshy interior of the ovary, but there are some non-fleshy examples as a peppers with air rather than pulp around their seeds. The differences between the everyday and botanical uses of berry result in three categories: those fruits that are berries under both definitions, those fruits that are botanical berries but not commonly known as berries, and those parts of the plants commonly known as berries that are not botanical berries and may not even be fruits. Berries under both definitions includes blueberries, cranberries, lingonberries, and the fruits of many other members of the heather family, as well as gooseberries, goji berries, and elderberries. The fruits of some currants, ripe species such as black currants, red currants, and white currants, are botanical berries and are treated as horticultural berries or a soft fruit in UK, even though their most used names do not include the word berry. Botanical berries, not commonly known as berries, includes bananas, tomatoes, grapes, eggplants, parmesans, watermelons, and pumpkins. These are several different kinds of fruits which are commonly called berries, but are not botanical berries. Blackberries, raspberries, and strawberries are kinds of aggregate fruit. They contain seeds from different ovaries of a single flower. In aggregate fruits like blackberries, the individual fruitlets making up the fruit can be easily seen. The fruits of blackthorns may be called sloe berries, but botanically are small stone fruits or drupes like plums or apricots. Junipers and yaws are commonly used to have berries, but these plants do not produce botanical fruits at all. They are gymnosperms, specifically conifers, not angiosperms or flowering plants. Their berries are highly modified seeds-bearing cones, and juniper berries used to flavor gin. The cone skills, which are hard and woody in most conifers, are instead soft and fleshy when ripe. The bright red berries of yaws consist of fleshy outgrowths, almost including the poisonous seed. The resemblance of this plant structures to botanical berries provides a striking example of convergent evolution and different plant clades. Strawberries have been grown in gardens in Europe since the 14th century. Blueberries were domesticated starting in 1911 with the first commercial crop in 1916. Packliveral berries of all varieties are not fully domesticated, but domestications attempted from 1994 to 2010 for the economically significant western hackleberry. Many other varieties of Asinium are likewise not domesticated, with some being of commercial importance. Agricultural methods. Like most other food crops, berries are commercially grown with both conventional pest management and integrated pest management practices. Originally, certified berries are becoming more widely available. Many soft fruit berries require a period of temperatures between 0 to 10 degrees Celsius. For breaking dormancy in general, strawberries require 200 to 300 hours, blueberries 650 to 850 hours, blackberry 700 hours, and raspberry 800 to 1700 hours, currants and gooseberries 800 to 1500 hours, and the cranberries 2000 hours. However, too low temperature will kill the crops. Blueberries do not tolerate temperature below negative 29 degrees. Raspberries, depending on variety, may tolerate as low as negative 31 degrees Celsius, and blackberries are enjoyed below negative 20 degrees Celsius. Spring frosts are, however, much more damaging to berry crops than low winter temperatures. Sites with moderate slopes, that's 3% to 5%, facing north or east in the northern hemisphere, near large bodies of water which regulate spring temperature, are considered ideal in preventing spring frost injury to the new leaves and flowers. Blueberries and cranberries grow poorly if the clay or slit content of soil is more than 20%, while most other berries tolerate a wide range of soil types. For most berry crops, the ideal soil is well-drained sandy-loam with a pH of 6.2 to 6.8 and moderate to high organic content. However, blueberries have an ideal pH of 4.2 to 4.8 and can be grown on moist soils, while blueberries and cranberries prefer poor soils with lower cation exchange, lower calcium, and lower levels of phosphorus.